This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something not so instant, but pretty quick. This is Seafood Tonkotsu by Myojo USA. This is their Myojo Ramen Seafood Tonkotsu. I'm doing a meat manufacturer series with them, showcasing their refrigerated varieties. So, yeah, I just noticed this little gauge. They're thick noodles, they're wavy, and they're a rich broth. So let's see. I want to say all of these have had a different gauge, maybe? I don't know. It didn't. Oh yeah, look at that. Those are thicker. That is for show. Okay. And we need one of these. All right. Oh, here we go. Water's boiling. Sachet ready. Noodles are open. Plan is not to get crazy when I'm stirring the broth this time and splash broth all over myself. That was rather silly and unhelpful. So, you know. Luckily, I'm of stern stuff, so that didn't actually hurt. But it was hot. It was hot. There was hot water, yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, I will be the first to admit I really haven't done a lot of going to ramen restaurants. We had kind of a short flirtation with it. We would have been doing a lot more by now, but unfortunately the COVID, so we really don't go out unless it's with the kids, and restaurants are tough when your kids are 3 and 4, at least when our kids are 3 and 4. But it's mainly just like we don't want to. No. But definitely once things are back to normal, I don't know if they ever will. It's funny because the way this whole COVID thing came on, it was so fast, man. It was so fast. Like, all of a sudden, boom, permeates all of culture. And not just in one place, but everywhere. And the last time I can think of anything doing that is the internet. My buddy was saying, well, what about 9/11? I'm like, that was more, yeah, that affected a lot of things, domestic and internationally, but this is like, you know, there were people that did 9/11, and well, I guess some people think that some people invented COVID to destroy the world or something. I'm not one of those people who think that, but I will say it's very hard to have nobody to blame or nobody to go and get and say, look, we got him, that's that, you know. But that's neither here nor there. Just the fact that everywhere, all of a sudden, it went from like all these public service messages on TV, you know, wear your mask, do this, stay away from each other. And yeah, that just like came out of nowhere. It was like they were all ready for it. But obviously, it really doesn't take that long to make a public service announcement. But still, it was just like, whoa. Okay, so this time, and I am not going to get water all over myself like last time. Although, yeah, my arm tastes quite good. My arm tastes like garlic miso, can you imagine? Just gonna be licking my arm all day. Okay. Okay. This one, I'm going to tell you right now, this just smells like bacon. Which is definitely... It's not a complaint. Ooh. A little bit more stir on that. And you know what? I'm going to drain these noodles and I'm going to drop them in the bowl first. I can't believe it. This is the third bowl. Of fancy ramen in under an hour. That's pretty good. Alright, so this is seafood tonkotsu. You like seafood? I like seafood. I like squid. So there's some seafood. And we got some chashu. Let's make sure you can see what's going on here. That. We're going to drop in our chashu. Or my chashu. You're not here, so. It's kind of mine. I'd share it. If there was somebody here like that would eat this, I would share it. But there really isn't. Nobody ate it. But I will have large bites of it, that's for sure. You know what? I should be having large bites of it right now. Before I garnish it. I tend to do that sometimes. I tell you, it's been crazy for me lately. But what can you do? Nice color, nice thickness. Mmm. All right, that's the gauge for me. I like that. It is very rich. So this squid is called carved squid. Basically, they just have a machine that does cross cuts. And it looks cool. But I used to wonder, I'd see instant noodles that would have pictures of this stuff. I'm like, what is this stuff? It looks like pine cones. Who's eating these pine cones? Some kind of special tree? Then I come to find out it's squid. It's like, oh, squid. I don't know about squid. That was a very, very long time ago. I love squid. Get like squid fillets and then just kind of cross cut it with a knife and then boil it and they curl up. That'll have to work. And put the chashu on there. Spring onion. No. Mung bean sprouts, and now I'm going for the spring onion. Some of that. A little sesame seed. I made seafood tonkotsu. Tonkotsu. Crayon berry juice. Konnichiwa. Ah, you're silly. All right, and I think that's gonna be that. Yeah. Shall we allow Rotato to weave the magic that it weaves oh so well? I think we should. And oh my, the children are getting crazy. Here we go. Gentlemen, well, thank you for watching, and thank you to Myojo USA for sending these products. There's going to be one more, but I can't do more than 3 reviews in one day. That's like hard in the first place. But yeah, check out the next one tomorrow. It'll be a vegetarian variety. And yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles